How to get an SFC license? By SFPM Consulting. Today, we will be discussing how to solve your SFC license questions and how to get an SFC license. Here is how you can apply for an SFC license. Step 1. Determine if you need an SFC license. Determine if you need a license through the interactive licensing tools. Step 2. If you need an SFC license, you will need a mycfia account. If you are creating a mycfia account, the user guidelines are beneficial for navigating through the account creation. Before your license application, you will need the following information. Food categories determination. With the number of food categories available for selection, it is hard to determine if you are applying for the right food category. Documentation requirement, preventative control plan, customer protection plan, and traceability. We like to categorize them as manufacturing, export, and import. You will find our blog on developing the preventative control and customer protection plan helpful to get you started on the program. It takes about 1 to 2 weeks for license issuance. If you are looking for assistance in preparing your SFC license application, we'd love to help. Simply book a meeting at https://calendly.com/Felicia. Let us help you with your SFC license application and meet the SFCR application deadline.